In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on WordPress in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to switch to your native language, accommodate a different audience, or simply exploring, WordPress makes it incredibly easy to switch languages, and I'm here to walk you through every step of the way. First things first, let's navigate to the WordPress website. It's the starting point for everything we're going to do today. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the option to log into your account if you've been here before. You know the drill. But if this is your first time, welcome aboard. Click on the login button to proceed. Now, for those of you who have linked your Google account with WordPress, you can streamline the login process by choosing to continue with Google. This option generally simplifies the process since it allows you to log in with just a couple of clicks, pulling in your credentials automatically. Simply click on it and select the Google account you wish to continue with. After selecting your account, you'll find yourself facing a Continue button. Go ahead and click on this to proceed. It's like opening doors one after the other until you reach the heart of your WordPress site. You'll now find yourself on the home page of your WordPress dashboard, often referred to as My Home. This dashboard is your command center, where you can control virtually every aspect of your WordPress site. From here, hover your cursor over the Settings option. Don't click just yet. Simply let your mouse lightly rest on it to see the submenu options. Amongst these options, you'll see General. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where the magic happens for a lot of the basic settings of your site, including the language setting we're here to change today. Once you're in the general settings, look for a language selector. By default, it might be set to English or another language depending on your initial setup. Click on this option to expand the list of available languages. You'll be surprised at the extensive list WordPress offers, accommodating a vast array of languages from around the globe. Take a moment to scroll through and find the language you prefer. Whether it's Spanish, French, German, or anything in between, WordPress likely has you covered. Once you've made your choice, it's time to make it official. Click on Apply Changes to finalize the switch. This will update the language settings for your site's dashboard, altering the interface to your chosen language. Now, it's important to note that changing the language in your WordPress settings primarily affects the back end, meaning the dashboard where you craft posts, manage settings, and more. If you're looking to change the language of your actual website content that visitors see, you'll need to either manually write content in your desired language or use a translation plugin that can dynamically translate your site for visitors. As you can see, changing the language on WordPress is a straightforward process that can be done in just a matter of minutes. It's a change that can significantly enhance your user experience, making it easier to navigate, manage, and personalize your site in a language you're most comfortable with. And remember, you can always switch back or try a different language anytime you wish. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing the language on your WordPress site. WordPress's flexibility in language options is just one of the many features that make it an incredibly powerful tool for website creation and management. Whether for accessibility, personal preference, or to cater to a specific audience, the ability to switch languages swiftly is a testament to WordPress's commitment to providing a user-friendly experience for site owners across the globe. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Enjoy exploring your WordPress site in the language of your choice, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your WordPress experience.